Hi there. We're going to be looking at a Coco Cafe product in this video. There's at least 3 Coco Cafe products. And what is Coco Cafe, if you're wondering? It's basically just caffeinated coconut water, but done like cafe coffee style. So the base of it is just like the original one. It's just an espresso coconut water. Then they take batches of the espresso coconut water and make a mocha flavor. And then there's one other flavor at the moment, and they have it here for this review. I know the espresso one over the others more, because it's the one that, I guess I see more than the others. I think it was family who introduced me to these, the espresso ones, and then like shortly after there was like a couple stores I could find them in, but now there's only like one store that still has them, and then they like find the others and stuff. So I've had the espresso one a bunch of times. I've had the mocha one once, and will be again. And here is vanilla, folks. That's right, Coco Cafe Vanilla. Coconut water cafe latte, 330 milliliters, 11.1 fluid ounces, 140 calories, 3 grams, 4% fat, 2%, 10 milligrams of cholesterol, 8%, 200 milligrams of sodium, 17%, 600 milligrams of potassium, 7%, 22 grams of carbohydrates, 19 grams of sugar, 6 grams of protein, 20% calcium, and a 4% iron. Coconut water, reduced fat milk, then espresso, which in brackets says water and coffee. Then after the espresso, you got sugar, vanilla extract, and carrageenan. And as you see here, I'll read you what that says. Our vanilla latte, our blend of all natural coconut water, reduced fat milk, and espresso with a taste of vanilla for hydration and caffeination. All natural coconut water, a splash of reduced fat milk, 1 shot of espresso, a taste of vanilla, and then it just says to serve cold and shake well. And all of them have the same caffeine content, 120 milligrams. So it's actually already been poured. Smell wise, you get vanilla, but it might be maybe on a vanilla bean style. Now, I've had a coconut water one time that was an almond flavor, and it listed that it had all these different vanillas from around the world in it, like Indonesia and wherever they were from. So it could be like different vanillas from around the world in this. But you know what? Maybe like a vanilla bean, maybe a little caramelish. Smells nice, but like a little bit on the sweet side. And this vanilla one's more like a latte smell type thing. So let's taste it. Cheers. Um, there's a coffee taste in there, which would be for the espresso. So I guess an espresso taste of some sort, but it's not dead on to me coffee. It would just be like, oh, that's a cafe taste. Um, there's a water taste in there. But I don't know if I would dead on say tap water, and I don't know if I would dead on say coconut water. And then there was some of the vanilla taste. As I'm taking the sip in, the very first thing I'm tasting is like a cafe kind of taste. Then I'm getting some water taste. And then I'm getting hit with little bits of the vanilla taste. And then that goes away. And and as like the flavors and wetness of each sip like dry off, I find the aftertaste is more on like a cafe side, with just little hints of like some vanilla and little hints of like maybe some coconut water. Somehow with the vanilla version, it's really showing, I'm going to say, the cafe side. And It's bringing up the water part of this drink a bit more as well. But there is some vanilla there. It's more like a latte than vanilla itself, I'm going to say. If you're a diehard vanilla fan, I don't think this will be a satisfying enough vanilla for diehard fans. And I guess that's a review of the vanilla one. Brings up the water part a bit. Shows a cafe side quite a bit. And just has like hints of vanilla here, there, and like it's kind of a way of showing vanilla. And that's why I don't think a vanilla diehard fan would be super satisfied with how the vanilla is in this one. And you have to remember, there's the mocha, and then there's just the basic no flavors, which is just espresso, and they all have espresso till it gets 120 milligrams worth of caffeine, and it's just a shot worth. So whoever's company they're using has a bit of a stronger one, a little bit, because you can get espresso shots with a bit less caffeine. And if you're wondering where this is from, it's from Coco Cafe Incorporated. They're out in New York, New York. And this is a natural product. Consistency may vary. Thank you for tuning in to a Tits Beer Bong 420 look/review at Coco Cafe Vanilla Coconut Water Cafe Latte. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Enjoy yourself.